Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Zoe. I am an automation advisor. In many businesses, there is a process where a file is saved or copied into a folder, but a business application processes that file. For example, an invoice might be processed and then moved to an archive folder. This processing usually takes some time, typically 1 to 3 minutes. But if a file remains in the folder for longer than 5 minutes, it usually indicates a problem, and an employee must be alerted. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically detect such files and send an email alert when this situation occurs. It's very simple to create these kinds of alerts using Febate Automation Workshop. Automation Workshop is a no-code application that lets you automate a wide range of Windows tasks. Let's start by creating an automated task. Workflows or tasks are built using the Task Creation Wizard, a step-by-step guide that makes the process quick, easy, and programming-free. To monitor a folder, we need a trigger. Automation Workshop can monitor remote FTP and SFTP servers, as well as popular cloud storage services. To monitor a local folder, we'll use the File and Folder Watcher trigger. I'll enter the path to the folder where files are processed. Next, in the Options tab, I'll adjust the Smart File Operation Detection cooldown to 5 minutes. Here's what Smart Cooldown does. It waits for any consecutive file operations within the specified time before launching the workflow. In our case, if a new file appears and then disappears within 5 minutes, the workflow will not launch. But if a file remains in the folder longer than 5 minutes, an employee will be alerted by email. For this simple workflow, we need only one action: send email. Of course, workflows can include 100+ different actions, for example, starting an application or operating with files, but for this demo, one action is enough. The send email action looks just like a standard email client, where you fill in the fields required to send an email. I'd also want to include the file name of the problematic file in the body of the email. For that, I'll use the Variable Wizard. Under Triggers, we can access the trigger we added earlier. By default, it offers the full path and file name. But I'll select only the file name so the email is clearer. At runtime, this variable will be populated with the file name of the file that stayed in the folder for longer than 5 minutes. Our workflow is now ready. It's simple, efficient, and consists of only one action. If you have not yet downloaded Automation Workshop, please do so via one of the links below in the description. No registration is required, and it takes only a minute to try Automation Workshop. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching. Till the next time.